Hey guys, welcome to another video here at Gigsla. In this video on advanced text editing, we will see how to create an awesome text intro like this one. And we will also have a look at how to create an awesome text with music sync using multiple text layers like the following video.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
Okay, so let's get started. So the video will be divided into two parts. The first part will be we creating that intro that you have seen. So let's get started with it. So if you remember this intro, we had a template from the pre-made template, but we customized the pre-made template. So let's find the template. So this was the template. Let's drag it over here, and as you can see, when you double click over here, it gives the customization option, text customization. But here you can see there is an advanced button. So click on advanced. So here there is an already a text, so I'd like to change to video editing, and let us add. So here there are a lot of tools that you can use, as you can see. So here is a text plus T plus. It's used to add a text box, another text that in the video. So let's click on that. So as you can see, another text has appeared. So if you remember, we had Filmora tutorial written down below. So let's create Filmora tutorial, and let's decrease the size a little bit. I would like to increase this element so that it matches with the flow, and we'll align this over here and align the Filmora tutorial over here. So once we can also edit this text. So let's make it bold and increase the size of this one to 40 maybe. Once it's done, we can individually add animations to it. So if you can see over here, it shows video editing. So but it doesn't has an outro, so let's give it an outro first. So this will, let's give everything an outro because there is no end animation. So when we do this, there is an end animation added to the element. So let's do that. So as you can see, when we're dealing with Filmora tutorials, there is nothing happening. So we first need to add a element text. We need to add animation to it. So we can go to animation and double click over here, and the animation is added. So we'll align with all the other animations. So I would like to change this animation also. So I would like this to come from left side, and Geeksla and YouTube channel to come from the right side. So this will make a good impression. So now let's play the video, and even the outro ones. So you might have seen there was an image of computer as well. So here you can see there is a add shape and add image option. So when I click on add image, I have already saved a vector image of PC. So I will resize it and place it over here. And I will add animation to it. I will use the fade animation, and let me align this with other animation as well. So okay. Now let's play it all together from the beginning. Yes, yes, the animation works completely. Now let's get into the second part of the video. So the second part of the video is basically syncing text with video, text with music. You might have seen this used by Casey Neistat in some of his video parts. So let's first add the video to the timeline. I will increase the timeline so that more frames are visible to me. So when I go down, and I will take the video also, and I will cut the part of the video for with the audio I want.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty.
So once you are done with the video, add the you go to the text option over here and go down to the text. So we'll be using title text over here. So let's use this one. So as you can see, there is only one text layer over here, and only two music timelines over here, but only one text track. So I need to add a new track of text. So this is possible in Filmora. You can go to add new track over here, and as you can see, text track only one is selected. So make it 5 and click OK. So this will give you over 5 text tracks, and you can add multiple texts in a single video. So once you have done that, copy this and I will paste this track multiple times so that I can use it. So the first line says we are heroes. So and I will place it over here, and let's increase the size to somewhat 150, and even this I will increase to somewhat 150. And once we are done with this, you need to go back to the track, and over here you need to sync with the audio. So again listen, so let's change this, and make sure the end of everything is similar. So I will bring everything closer. So let's play it once again.
We are heroes tonight.
So as you can see, you need to sync basically with the track. So once you're done, go double click on it and go to animations and double click on fade. We want the effect to be more faster and not taking much time. So and give everything a fade effect. So
We are heroes tonight. We will fly.
So as you can see, the effect takes a long time, so I will decrease it basically. So this will the video the it will appear more sooner.
We are heroes tonight.
So
We will fly above.
so let's double click over here and go to advanced and decrease the animation time. So it will not take too much time. And even here. So now let's play again.
We are heroes tonight.
So as you can see, you can further edit the video from here on. The same way we done with this one. Add multiple tracks, and this will make it more easier and more fun to edit videos and create more ways to create more creative videos. So that's it, guys, with this video. Hope you guys like it, and subscribe for more awesome content. And see you guys in the next video. Till then, see ya.